Okay guys, today I'm going to show you untapped huge free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing just like this. And best thing is, you don't even need a website. And if you are a beginner, you are just starting, this might be a good starting point because this method is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money. Only thing that you need to invest is some work, but you need to invest work anyway. So why not try this method? So with that being said, let's start. Okay, let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, here you can see that this website is getting 1.4 billion visits every month. And it is not TikTok, it is not Facebook, it is not Instagram. I will show you later which website we are actually going to use. And when you scroll here, you can see that most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, which means that this website has a good potential for affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And then you need to research that niche to see, is there any potential in that niche? And one of the best ways to do that is to see, are there any products in that niche and are there any good products in that niche? And one of the best ways to do that is to actually go on marketplaces on one of those affiliate networks. For example, when you go on Digistore24 marketplace, and let's just say I'm in make money online niche because we are talking about making money online in this video. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And here I can see there is lots and lots of products, good products in this niche. And here you can see cart conversion, here you can see cancellation rates, here you can see some important data about these products, which means there is products in this niche that I can promote. Also, you can go on JVZoo marketplace, click here on category and click here on internet marketing and e-commerce. And here you can also see conversion rate. Some of these products have a really good conversion rate. They have a 0% refund and other data for these products. So there is lots of products in this category on JVZoo as well. And maybe best place is actually ClickBank Marketplace. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and click on e-business and e-marketing. And what I actually need to do, I actually need to sort this by gravity. Gravity means how many people sold this product in past 30 days. And here we can see gravity score is 244, which means 244 people sold this product here in past 30 days. And when you scroll through this category, through these products, you will see that there are products who have a really good gravity, which means these products are selling, which means there are lots of products in this category and there are lots of good products in this category that you can promote and make money. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go on Uber Suggest, and here in search bar you can type make money online niche, make money online, and then click here on search. And here you can get some really important data about this keyword, about this niche. So let me just close this, and this is what I'm actually looking for. Here you can see people are paying $3.24 for every click on Google ads, on Bing ads, and so on and so on. So why would anybody pay $3 for every click if they don't think that they can actually get their money back? Which means there is actually competition for this because people are selling products in this niche. And don't be scared of competition because we are actually going to use a free traffic. So overall, this is a good niche where I can promote products, find good products, promote those products, and make good money. Now, before I show you these websites we are going to use to get free traffic, I have to say that for this method, for this website, you don't need to use bridge page or your own website. But I would recommend to use a bridge page or a website. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for hosting or for domain, or you don't even know how to make your website or bridge page. So, like I said, you don't need to use them, but I would recommend to use bridge page or your own website. Now, the website I'm talking about is LinkedIn. For some reason, many people are using LinkedIn. As you saw, they are getting 1.4 billion visits every month. But for some reason, not that many people actually use LinkedIn to get a free traffic. So what you need to do, you first need to register on LinkedIn. Registration is 100% free. So, and then you need to fill your profile. Now, this is my LinkedIn profile. Here you can see I have 288 connections. and you need to fill all of these fields. That is really, really important. And after you fill your LinkedIn profile, next thing you need to do, you need to go on your LinkedIn feed. And here you need to start sharing content. And here you can see you can upload photos, you can upload your own videos, you can share events, or you can even write an articles. One of the easiest ways is to actually share a video, YouTube video. So what you can do is you can simply go on YouTube and find someone in your niche, some influencer in your niche. So for example, because we are talking about making money online, I can simply search Gary Vee and then click here on enter, and I can find lots of Gary Vee videos that I can share on LinkedIn. For example, this one video here, 1.1 million views 6 days ago. Right click here, and then what I can do is I can copy link address and then simply go back on LinkedIn, click here, and I can simply paste that link here, okay? And I can delete this, and now you need to share a short description why exactly you are sharing this video. It can be 100, 200 word description about why are you sharing this video. And if that video actually sparked discussion, that is even better, because that means that more people, you will reach more people and you will start getting more followers and more connections. But by far best way to get followers, to get engagement, to promote your own affiliate products is to actually write an article. Click here on write article. Here you need to add a headline. Headline is really important. It should be catchy. It should be a bit controversial, because that will spark a discussion, that will make people to start commenting, that will make people start liking your post, make people sharing your post, and you will reach more people, you will start getting more followers, more connections. Next, also you need to add a cover image. Cover image is also really important. Now you can find royalty-free cover image on Pexels, Pexabay or Unsplash. Just download the royalty-free photos in your niche, go back on LinkedIn, click here and upload your photo on your article. And here you need to add your article, and your article should be packed with highly valuable information, because in that way, people will start liking your article. People will start thinking, okay, this guy provides value, and they will start following you. They will start sending you connection requests, and you will start getting more and more free traffic. But you just created your LinkedIn profile, you don't have any followers, you don't have any connections. How do you actually get people to read your article, to see your video that you shared from YouTube? Well, when you go back here on LinkedIn feed, here you can see there are people who are actually sharing their articles, and here you can see some of these people are getting thousands and thousands of likes, comments and shares. And what you can do is you can also share your comment on these articles, on these posts. But I already have some people who are following me, I already have some connections, and these are the posts from those people. But you don't have any connections, you don't have any followers. So what you can do is you can simply click here on in search bar and type, for example, affiliate marketing. Search for affiliate marketing. And then you can click here on posts, and here you can find affiliate marketing posts. In this case, you will search something related to your own niche, and here you can see some of these articles have likes, have shares, have comments. And what you need to do, you also need to start commenting on these posts. 123 likes, 79 comments, 1 share. You need to comment on this post. And also, if it is appropriate, link back to your own LinkedIn article where you promote your affiliate product. And also what you can do is you can just go back here. You can join some groups in your niche. As you can see, 394,000 members this group have, 65,000, 8,000, 22,000, and so on and so on. Now, I'm already a member of some of these groups, so let me just find, okay, click here on groups, see all groups, and here you can see all of your groups. So let me just find, for example, this group here, 1,952,000 members. This is a huge group. And here you can see how these groups looks. Okay, so let me just minimize this. And you need to start sharing your article in this group. Just click here and you can share a link to your post, to your article, LinkedIn article here in this group. And like I said, try to provide as much value, as much valuable information in that article. In that way, people will start commenting, people will start liking, people will start sharing, you will start getting connections, you will start getting followers. And also you can find some big posts that are getting lots of engagement in this group, and you can also comment in that group, provide value in that comment, and you can also link back to your own LinkedIn article in that comment. And like I said, if you provide value in that article, people will start liking it, people will start commenting, people will start sharing that article in groups like this, and you will start getting connections, you will start getting followers, you will literally have your own audience, targeted audience that you don't have to pay anything. It is free, and you can use it to get free traffic. And not just that, but if you provide value regularly, you will actually create trust, which means if you promote affiliate product, people will actually start buying that product because they now trust you. They know who you are, they know that you provide value, which means product that you promote is also a good product, a valuable product that can actually help them in their own niche. And that is why you need to start using LinkedIn to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. And like I said, even if you're a beginner, you don't need a website, you don't need bridge page, and it is 100% free. All you have to do is just invest some time and invest some work, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.